In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocHub for free. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for DocHub. This is the easiest way to find the platform if you're not already familiar with the website address. When you search, you may see several results, including ads, help pages, or related links. So take a moment to make sure you're selecting the official DocHub website. Once the search results appear, click the correct link to open the DocHub homepage. It's important to land on the official site so you can create your account safely and access the right features. If the page loads properly, you should see options related to signing in or getting started. From there, click Sign Up. This is the option you'll use if you're new to DocHub and want to create an account for free. The sign-up page is usually very straightforward, and this is where you'll decide how you want to register. You can register using your existing Google account or Microsoft account for faster access, which is often the quickest and simplest option. If you'd rather not connect one of those accounts, you can also enter your email address manually and create a password instead. Choose whichever method feels most convenient for you. If you create an account with email and password, make sure to use something secure and easy for you to remember. As you continue through setup, you may be asked to choose a plan. This part is especially important if your goal is to use DocHub without paying. If that prompt appears, make sure you select the free plan option instead of starting a trial for the pro plan. It's easy to click through quickly here, so slow down and read the options carefully before continuing. Choosing the free plan helps you avoid accidentally signing up for features that may require payment later. After that, your account setup should be complete, and you'll be ready to start using DocHub's basic features at no cost. If you're ever unsure during the process, just double-check each screen before moving forward, especially anywhere that mentions plans or upgrades. That's all it takes to get started with DocHub for free. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to create your account quickly and access the platform without choosing a paid option.